Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we will be going through the top 5 best regulated Forex brokers. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy this video. Let's get started. At number 5, we have Go Markets. Go Markets is an online, fully regulated Australian financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, indices, metals, and commodities. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and 5, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on Standard and Go Plus accounts with up to 50 tradable currency pairs and a variety of market instruments. Go Markets also provides their very own trading academy, which covers beginner's guides to Forex trading, free Forex educational courses, and MetaTrader 4 video tutorials that take you through the various aspects of platform functionality to help you get started with the platform. At number 4, we have Alpari. Alpari is another online, internationally recognized, fully regulated broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, metals, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Alpari's mobile app Trader, which are all available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Provided accounts are featured on Forex Standard, Micro, as well as ECN and Forex Pro accounts with 4 tradable currency pairs, floating leverage, lower spreads, and more. Alpari also offers their very own Learning Center, which provides guides to beginner trading, online workshops, trading articles, and upcoming webinars if you would like to take part in a more personal educational experience. At number 3 on our list, we have Plus 500. Plus 500 is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, shares, options, and ETFs. Their featured platform is available on the Plus 500 trading application, which is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. With Plus 500, traders are equipped with one live trading account, which carries out a variety of trading needs. Their live account features competitive trading conditions for any level of trading experience. Plus 500 also provides their very own economic calendar, an educational video panel, as well as a variety of educational trading topics for you to browse through as you please. Next on the list at number 2, we have Xness. Xness is an online, fully regulated, globally recognized financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their very own web terminal, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Featured accounts are provided on Standard, Raw Spread, Zero, and Pro accounts with low minimum deposits. Xness also provides their very own trading academy, which delves into the essentials of trading, multilingual video guides, market insight and analysis, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to browse through as you please. And last but not least, at number 1 on our list, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, FX options, ETFs, bonds, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Avatrade's WebTrader. And for all your mobile needs, Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are all supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative account balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Avatrade also provides the absolute best educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides that delve into professional trading techniques, economic indicators, as well as various educational trading methods and topics for you to browse through as you please. Avatrade have also won multiple awards such as the #1 broker, most innovative CFD broker, best affiliate program, most trustworthy broker, and many others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online, fully regulated financial broker. And those are the top 5 best regulated Forex brokers on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.